Welcome to our tutorial on how to reduce image file size using Photopea. In this video, we will guide you through the process of optimizing your images efficiently. So let's get started. Begin by opening a new web browser window. In the address bar, type in photopea.com and hit enter. Once the website loads, click on New Project to start a new project in Photopea. In the dialog box, choose the size you want for your project. For example, if you're creating an image for YouTube, you can set the width and height to 720 pixels. Feel free to select a different background color, or leave it as the default white background. When you're ready, click the Create button to create the project. Now, locate the image file you want to optimize for a smaller file size. Simply drag and drop the image into the Photopea workspace. Next, navigate to the top of the Photopea window and click on the File menu. From the drop-down menu, select Export As and choose the desired file format. If you want to further reduce the image file size, you have the option to adjust the image quality. In this example, we'll set it to 95% quality. However, you can experiment with different qualities to find the perfect balance between file size and image clarity. Once you're satisfied with the image quality and ready to save, click Save to start the download process. And voila! We hope this tutorial was beneficial. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.